Hi friends, we are at one of the it's a kind of a log house, and we are at Agaya Gangai Waterfalls. It's situated in the Kolli hills, and now come, let me show you how it looks. Look at the viewpoint. The waterfalls is situated the gorges of two mountains, or it's sort of in a valley. You'll see it. But I think, yeah, you can't see the waterfalls from here. You'll have to go down a lot. There are 1,200 steps. You can see the steps. Climbing down seems to be easier, but climbing up the staircase is really a Herculean task, you know. It is really a Herculean task. We are just at 1/4 of the steps, not even 1/4. I think it's 1/10 must be. Now, we are a little worried about how we're going to climb back, but still, for the sake of having a hands-on experience and experiencing Agaya Gangai Falls as a director of this project, I felt that it's just that I go and record the beauty of this wonderful falls. Thank you. Research Associate, Ms. Sajo Monica also. So she's also helping me document all of these. It's not that I'm ascending the hill, it's just still descending the hill. I'm just going down the hill. There's yet another halfway to cover up till I reach the falls, but you can still hear the falls. And this has been happening for quite some time, but there's no sight of the falls as such. Okay, let's see how far it is. There's still lots to go. Thank you. Friends, this is yet another spot that you would see, and you can hear the waterfalls very loudly. And it's not just that, you can have a sight of the waterfalls also. That's quite comforting to know that we are closer to the waterfalls. Yes, here we go. Let's go closer to the falls. Thank you. We are almost at the waterfalls, and you can hear the noise. It's too loud here. And look at the waterfalls behind me. So enticing and so refreshing to be here. You must be wondering why I'm always sitting down. It's for the better capture of the video. It's all still wet here. Probably because of the rain recently that has taken place, or because of this water. Thank you. From the waterfall, it's just fun to be here. You know, it's so wonderful, and it's a mesmerizing experience. You all want to be here. I know I'm really apprehensive about coming down here, but it is worth it. I tell you, and believe me, you can all make it wonderful fall, and you're going to love it, and you're going to create wonderful memories for your lifetime. Thank you all. Bye. Really wonderful. The place is quite memorizing by the power of the water.